Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Amazon stock. So what is this huge move that can come on Amazon? So in this video I'll provide you, well, pretty much the play, and you can see it actually on my screen right now. And I'll be providing you the reasoning and the price action, the structure as why this play I'm looking for, because I did put this play up here, that is the short play couple of days ago, but did my position already trigger? I'll talk about that as well. Am I still going to take this play, or am I seeing a upside move coming on this? So let's talk about all of that. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. All right. Okay. So, well, now one thing before going further, Amazon has a covered call ETF that actually I would like to buy when Amazon comes lower. And there are two things actually. If Amazon, okay, here's the thing, huge move is coming. Is it to the upside or to the downside? That's we're gonna talk about in just a second. But according to how this move happens, I'm looking to buy a covered call ETF in my dividend portfolio. And that brings me to this channel of mine, Junior Trader Dividend Investing, where I am building my public-facing portfolio with some of the ETFs that pays dividends. It's a dividend-based ETF or dividend-based portfolio. So if you want to follow along the journey, please subscribe to this channel. You can find the link to this channel in the description of this video as well. And yeah, please subscribe, guys, if you would like to follow along. And I have done a lot of videos already. Today, another video I just did, that second week of my PNL. I started a channel almost just 2 weeks into it. So yeah, if you want to follow along, just please go to this channel. All right. So speaking of here, Amazon, right? What I'm seeing on Amazon is it's below 20 and 50 days moving average. So pretty much let's start off with this play. What I'm looking at is that break of 180 and 17 cents is what I'm looking for as to enter a short play. Yes, this hasn't triggered for me yet because the price has not broken below that. And what I'm targeting is pretty much, well, I'll take partial profits out at, but then also at significant levels, I'll try to size out. And my stop loss zone is up there, right above 20 days moving average on this thing. So, and this is my size out zone if position starts to go against me. So I'm looking at a short play on this. All right, that's the play, that pretty much $180 down to at least $165, and if not 171, and we'll see how things goes. I'll keep providing update, but that's where the structure and the price action is looking like to me. All right, so I'm going to get rid of this blue box now we don't need that. So yes, we are below 20 and 50 days moving average. All the rebounds back to 20 days are being shorted as overhead resistance. Even 50 days moving average, the price rebounds back up there are being shorted as an overhead resistance, right, or sold off, right? So the price is the structure is holding to the downside, and also together with this almost a double top forming, and this is the neckline. And if you have been seeing my videos, you already know I have been really waiting for this play to build into it. And then I was saying, well, I already talked about, guys, there's the short play. I talked about it when this green candle formed up here, that if it's a fake out, the next day we'll see a red candle, and then we will see a sell-off down to 20 days moving average. So we got that. And the next play I said that is below $180, and that's the next play I'm looking at. So yeah, so that's the play, okay? And yeah, things are looking weak on Amazon on hourly interval as well. You can see that multiple tests under 200 hours moving average as well has been rejected on Amazon already. And the structure is also a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? I'm not seeing any structure break to the upside. Can this thing become bullish at this point? Well, for that, we have to see a structure change. So first, Amazon needs to close a day above 182 and 72 cents. If Amazon can do that, so on daily interval, yeah, then that's, yeah. If Amazon at this point can close above 182 and 77 cents range, or where this particular my significant level is, then potentially we can start to see again another run up. But right now things are not there. And that's where I am actually. And again, check out my video, guys, on this one that I did, what I'm buying next, right? And with the week 2 portfolio, the PNL update, I am talking about actually Amazon there, that how I'm planning to buy this ETF on this, that is YAMZ. Let me show you that real quick. Where did it go? Here we go. So this is the Amazon covered call dividend ETF. I'm waiting. So yeah, so on the my active trading, I'll be taking a short play on this as that level breaks, and then I'll be waiting down at these levels somewhere in the 30s range on this ETF. Then to a little bit start a starter position to scoop in my the dividend position on Amazon ETF, right? So that's the plan, but this is my active trading on Amazon, and that's why I'm on Junior Trader channel right now. And on Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel, I talk about my dividend investing, right? So yeah, guys, I trade both sides of the market, and so I do active trading as well on both sides. Dividend, this Amazon happens to be that it's giving me both sides on the dividend side as well, and then on active trading is giving me downside play. On active trading I take long plays as well, short plays as well, you know that. And then on dividend side I only take long plays. Then only well, you only get dividend. Well, there are things that pays you dividends on short positions as well, there are some, but they are usually just yearly, and they just pretty much it's a NAV erosion pretty much. It's just give you out of NAV, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, but these ones are more options based dividends, the YAM said. But yeah, as I said, check out this channel, you will get to know over here. Yeah, so is there anything else? Let's go to the 4 hours just to see. Yeah, guys, it's a clear structure is weak. It all comes down to now as if we can lose the level of $180 range, right? That's the level I'm looking at. That's where the neckline would be broken. And once it breaks, then Amazon is in a classic double top structure here, you can see. Once this level breaks, right? We gotta see this level break 180. Also, don't lose your sight from this area, the 171. You can see a lot of wicks have come here, right? This is the earning zone time as well. This previous wick is there. Big demand zone, big demand happened here. And then there's another wick down here. So yeah, this is the area where if I can get down here, this is the place where I would like to buy that dividend ETF and start a position at least. And on the short side, yeah, this is where I would like to book a little bit more profits if the short play starts, because this is where the previous demand zone is, and this is very new in this area and the price action, so this will act as well. So yeah, don't lose sight of this level 171. Yeah, that's an important area. Yeah. All right, well guys, that's pretty much it on Amazon for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.